Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the seventh part of the conversion of a pictorial view to orthographic view. So in this video we'll again solve one of the drawings, the conversion of 3D views into 2D views. So let's go through the drawing. So you can see on the left side of the screen. So this will today we'll be solving this drawing, the conversion of this 3D into 2D views. So here we need to convert front view and top view and right view. So this is again a simple problem. Uh, Only very few surfaces are there. So front view, top view and right view. So first we'll start with front view and then right view and top. So just before going to drawing, we'll just see what are the surfaces visible in front view. Clear? So here you can see now, just concentrate on the left side of the screen. So this surface here, it is one surface that is visible and this is the another surface that is visible. And apart from that, these two, you can see here there is a projection at the downwards, right? So whatever this part is there, so there is a small projection here of some dimension is being given. So that we'll see when we start drawing. So whatever this projection is there, so this projection is visible. So three surfaces, this projection, whatever that's there, solid projection here, this second surface and this third surface. So three surfaces are visible in front view. So first let's start with front view. So again now what we'll do is we'll start from here, right? Just concentrate on the left side of the screen, the cursor here, okay, and that point we'll start from there, and first we'll draw only this part, that is first surface, and then this will be the second surface, and finally this projection, downwards projection, that is third surface. So first we'll draw this one. So since we need to draw right side, which has to be drawn on the left side of the screen, so your front view should be here at somewhere here. So now I'll be starting here. So what is this distance? So this distance they have not given, right? So this distance they have not provided. So this hole from here to here they have given how much it is, 80 centimeter, sorry, 80 mm, right? From here, from this point to this point, it is how much, 80 mm. But again you can see actually there is again 10 mm extra here at the end, right? So this 80 is only from this end to this end, right? 80 is from this end to this end, so there is again 10 mm extra. So total it will be from here to here, it will be what, how much, 90 mm, right? So this here they have shown here 10 mm, this 10 mm extra is there, extra projection is there. So this 10 mm extra plus 80, totally it will be from here to here, this point it is how much, 90 mm. So we'll be drawing this first, this only this part, and then we'll join this. So already this is whole, it is what, 90. So we just need to draw only this much, right? So what will be, actually we need to draw only this part. So here we have to, whatever this 90 is there, that has to be minus with this 25, right? So 90 minus 25, so how much it will be, 65, right? So from here to here it is 65. So first we'll draw from here to here, how much, 65. So I'll just zoom it, but okay. So next, so I'm going now top, write this like this, okay, topwards. So we have drawn this 65. Now top, how much it is, 10 mm they have shown here, you can see it is how much, 10 mm. So upwards you take 10 mm. So again from here to here, okay, we have started here, so from here to here it is how much, 65, right? So about 10 mm. Now again this side, so here already we need to minus this 10 mm, okay. So whatever 65 we have drawn, so that to that 65 we need to minus 10 mm, so that we'll get this distance, okay, this distance, we'll get this distance. So 65 minus 10 is how much, 55. So here you draw how much, 55, and upwards now this height. So how much is this height? So this height we don't know, but they have given this whole height, how much it is, you can just concentrate on the cursor, it is 25. So this 25 minus 10 you do, you will get this height, right? So 25 minus 10 is how much, 15. So this height is 15. So I'll take upwards 15. Now to the left side, how much it is, 10 mm. The left side 10 mm, and finally join it, right? So this is the front view. Clear? So here, yeah. So this is the front view. So after that, now next we'll be drawing this surface. So this surface is what? Its length is how much? 25 and its height is how much? 10 mm. So same way again, now start from here. From here how much? 25 to the right side, and height is how much? 10 mm, and join it like this. Clear? So this is the first surface that I've drawn, and this is the second surface. Now we'll draw this bottom. Okay, whatever this projection is there, so that projection we'll draw. So now this total projection height, how much they have given, it is 40 from here to here, right? So already we have drawn this 10 mm. This all 10 mm we have already drawn, right? So 40 minus 10 will give you how much? 30. So from here, that is from this point, it is downwards how much? 30 mm. So again from this corner here, draw a line downwards of 30 mm. Okay. So this side it is how much? Again it is 25 only. So 25, and join it here upwards. So this is the front view. So here we have drawn the front view. So there is another section that is not visible that we need to draw. So you can see here, this is the solid whole part, right? So this here, this whatever this projection is there, only up to here it is 15 mm. So whatever this 10 mm is there is no any projection, it is blank. So whatever this leftover part is there, so that solid part. So when you see from the front view, whatever this edge is there, so okay, that side also you have a edge at that side. This there is a edge here, so that edge is not visible. So that edge we need to draw it here using dotted line. Clear? So here again, now using thick dotted line, what you can do is start from here and end it here. So like this, you need to show a dotted line. Clear? So this is the front view. So next, what we'll do is we'll draw the side right view. So again, use thick line to draw xy, and so draw using thick line. Sorry, draw using thin line the y axis as well as the x axis. Clear? So now next we'll draw the right view. Okay. So what you can do is here is again same way. I'll just zoom it. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just project this projection line from all the corners, and automatically we'll get the what right view. So here you project this corner from here, straight line. Okay, using thin line. Using thin line, you project this corner. Next, you project this corner. You project this corner, and finally project this corner. Clear? So like this we have projected 4 corners. So in now we'll see how the right view looks. So in right view, so this right view will be drawn on the left side of your front view, of the front view. So next here right view, this surface whole L, okay, so that is inverted L, this whole surface is visible, and above that only this part is visible, right? So this L surface and this surface is visible, so that will be drawing in right view. So after that, what we'll see what are the invisible surfaces that are not visible, which need to be drawn using dotted line. So first we'll draw these surfaces. Okay, so this surface is how much? Height is 40, and this length, how much this length is? So this length they have not provided, or they have not shown, right? So this whole length, you can see here, this they have shown only this part. Okay, yeah, at the bottom you can see they have given the whole length, that is how much it is, 45 mm from here to here. So we need to draw a length of height of 40 mm and length of 45 mm, and this thickness is how much? It is 10 mm, right? So same way, now again using thick line, you can start from here. So height is how much? 40 mm. Okay, so draw from here, from this whatever the bottom extension line is there, from there you draw a line upward direction of height 40 mm, right? So that is from here to here. So now we'll draw this surface, how much it is? 45. To the left side, draw how much? 45 mm. So to the left side it is 45 mm. So next downwards, so how much it is? 10 mm. So 10 mm. After that, this part, how much it is? So this whole length from here to here it is 45. So this thickness it is how much? 10 mm. So 45 minus 10. So you will get this dimension or this length, right? How much it is? 35 mm. So from here to here 35 mm. That is from here to the right side 35 mm, and downwards again extend it to this up to the down extension line, and then finally join it, right? So we have started from here, it is 40 mm, 45 mm, downwards 10 mm, and then this 45 mm minus this 10 mm we have minus, so we got this 35, and then from there you just extend it downwards till this extension line, finally join this. Clear? So this is the right view. Okay, so in this right view, this one surface we have drawn, so there is this another surface that is visible, right? So this another surface, you can see here there is a gap, right? So this whole it is how much? 25, and there is a 10 mm gap, and then this is the surface, right? So first what you do is, now using again thick line only, from here, from this corner you mark a point at 10 mm length. Okay, from this point only you mark a point, a small point at 10 mm, right? You mark a small point at 10 mm. Mark a small point at 10 mm. Okay, so just mark a point at 10 mm, and after that, now what is this height? So this height they have not shown, but they have given the whole height. So this whole height, how much it is? 25 mm. So this 25 mm minus this 10 mm, if you do, you will get this height, right? So 25 minus 10 is 15. So upwards you take how much? 15 mm. Okay, upwards you take 15 mm from that point where you have marked 15 mm. Next, this from here to here, how much it is? This distance it is again 15, again 15 mm, and just downwards join it. So this downwards again it should be how much? 15 mm. Okay, so like this, in right view this surface is visible and this surface is visible, we have drawn. So now what are the surfaces which are not visible, right? So now you can see this, whatever this projection is there, just concentrate on the left side of the screen, the cursor. So this whatever this projection is there, okay, it is fully a solid projection of height 25 and width whatever it is 15. So height it is 25, but we have only drawn how much? 15 mm. So 10 mm is what? It is lying beyond, or what you can say, behind this solid, right? Behind this solid. Hence this remaining 10 mm is not visible, right? So that what you have to do is, you need to draw using dotted line. So this only, from there only you just extend it downwards using dotted line, right? Same way again here downwards using dotted line. Clear? So you'll get, I'll just zoom it so that it will be clear. Like this, you need to draw a dotted line. Same way from here to here, just join it. Okay, so here this full it is 25, from here to here it is 25, that is as per the drawing. But whatever this dotted line we are drawn, why we are drawn? Because below this only this surface is upward, right? And whatever the 10 mm is there, it is behind this solid, so which cannot be visible when you see it from the right side. Hence whatever that remaining 10 mm is there, so that 10 mm we are drawn using what? Dotted line. Clear? So same way again another surface. Okay, so this solid, whatever, if you just forget this part, okay, if you just consider only this solid, right? So this solid also, there has another edges here, right? And that side there is another edge, so that edge is also not visible. Hence what you can do is, from here you just join a line another here showing a dotted line. Okay, so this is one edge, or this is one solid, and this is one solid. So right, so this edge it is not visible. Okay, so at that side whatever this part is, this 10 mm, so that edge 10 mm is not visible here. Hence we have drawn it using what? Dotted line. Clear? So this surface, whole surface it is visible, right? And this surface is visible, that is drawn using thick line. And whatever this whole solid is there, so that remaining solid is 10 mm, it is not visible when you see from the right side. That's why we have drawn these two lines, okay, using dotted line. And after that, so whatever this solid is there, so now just forget this part, okay, just forget this part, just concentrate only this for this solid. So this solid, there is solid, what you call the surface, two edges are there that side. So this edge, whatever this edge is there, and that is at the bottom side, that is here at the bottom side, so that edge is not visible from the right side, right? Hence what I did, I drawn it using dotted line. Clear? So this is the right view. So now finally we have drawn the front view and right view. So finally we need to draw what, a top view. So how to draw top view? Again using thick line, sorry, using thin line. Using thin line, from here what you do, draw a line. A length can be anything, but the angle should be how much, 45 degrees. Clear? The length can be anything, you can just extend it, but the angle should be 45 degrees. So what we'll do is, we are drawing now top view. So in top view, what, this surface is visible, this whole surface is visible, this whole, okay, this whole surface and this surface is visible. So which is not visible? So this, whatever this projection is there, 25 by 10, this projection, that is not visible. So that we need to draw what, using dotted line. So what we can do is, again using thin line, what you do, you just project it. So project this corner, same way project this corner, and then after that, yeah, you project this corner here downwards and project this corner. Clear? So after that what you can do is, yeah, same way here you project this corner and then direct to the right side, same way. After that, yeah, this corner you project. Next you project this corner from here to here to the right side again, and finally this corner. So first what we'll do is, we'll draw this part, okay, and then we'll draw this, and then this as a dotted line, right? So we'll draw this first, this bigger surface. So now using thick line again, using thick line. So what we'll do is, we'll start from this corner, okay, we'll start from this corner, that is this part here. So I'm starting from here. So from here, so what is this length, how much it is, 45 mm. So downwards you take 45 mm, right? So you draw using a line of 45. Next, so after that I've drawn 45. Next, this, how much it is, 25 mm. 25 mm. So draw how much, 25 mm. Now next, after that, this part here, how much it is, the dimension we don't know, but this whole dimension they have given. How much it is, 45. If you 45 minus this 25, you will get this dimension, right? So this whole it is 45 and this only it is 25. So 45 minus 25 is how much here, 20. So above you draw how much, 20 mm. And next, after that, to this, to the left side, so how much this is, so 80 minus 25 you do, how much you'll get, so this whole 80 from here to here, and this 25, so you'll get this part, how much it is, 55. So to the left side draw 55, and from here upwards how much it is, 25, and then finally join it here, right? So we have drawn this part, this surface, right? In top view this surface is visible. So after that, just next to this surface is visible, right? How much it is? 15 by 10 mm, right? So here that you need to draw it here, right? So again, using thick line, you can start from this corner. So this way it is how much? 10 mm. On the right side, on the left side it is 10 mm. Now after that, above, so above again how much? 15 mm, right? And then again join it to the right side, 10 mm. So this is this surface. Okay, so this surface we have drawn, this surface we have drawn. After that, finally this one. Okay, so this surface is not visible when you see from the top, so that has to be drawn using dotted line. So from here, from this corner downwards, it is how much? 10 mm, and like this it is 25 mm, right? So same way, what you can do is, from here you can just mark downwards 10 mm line, at a 10 mm distance you just mark a point, right? So from there, what you do, you start drawing a line at how much? 25 mm. So you can do what is, from here, from this corner, what you do, at a distance of 10 mm mark a point. Okay, at a distance of 10 mm mark a point like this. Okay, mark a point here, and from there to the left side you draw a line of how much? 25 mm. Okay, and just close it. So whatever this line is there, okay, so this line has to be drawn using what? The dotted line, thick dotted line like this. Okay, if I just zoom it, so like this you need to draw a dotted line. Okay, so this dotted line is nothing but what? When you are seeing from the top view, what happened? This surface, okay, so this 10 by 25, it is not visible, hence we need to draw it using what? Dotted line. So that is what? This is dotted line. So what we'll do is, okay, I'll just zoom it. You just delete all these extension line. Okay, just delete these all extension line. So let it be this one. So delete like this all extension line. So only keep whatever this lines are there, the main drawing line should be visible. So now after we have done this, so next thing is to show the dimensions. So in front view, what are dimensions we can show? So this part, okay, so this extend it here down up, okay, this side, extend it to the right side here, extend it to the right side, and show the dimension. So this is 10 mm. Same way now this side, extend from here to the left and show the dimension of 25 mm. Extend the extension line, and show the dimension. So after that, again, what all dimensions are visible? This 10 mm, right? So extend again here and show the 10 mm. Clear? So next, next we can show again? Yeah, this whole height. So from here again, and show the height. So from here to here, this distance should be how much? 1 centimeter. So after that, it should be 8 mm. So 10 mm this distance should be, and after the second dimension line, with respect to the first dimension line, the distance should be 8 mm. Just remember this concept. Okay, so we have shown this dimension. So same way, what we'll do, we'll show this part from here to here downwards 25 mm, right? So next, remaining dimensions we'll show it here. So this width, how much it is? 25. So this 10 we have already shown it here, no problem. Yeah, if you want you can show it, no problem, here the left side. Okay, so after that, here the remaining dimension will show it here. So this distance, how much it is? 10 mm. Next, after that, this whole height from here to here, so that is from here to here, how much it is? 80 mm, right? So next, this distance from here till here, it is 25 mm, right? So after that, this distance from here to here, it is how much? 45. So this 45, I've shown it here. Okay, so I think we have shown all the dimensions: 25, 10, 40. Yes, so here all the dimensions have been shown here, right? So finally, once you finish showing the dimensions, all the dimensions, so next thing is what we need to do is showing the views, right? So again, now write the views. So here it is, this one is the front view, and this one is the right view, and top view. So this is the same procedure has to be applied for all the drawings. So for the drawings that you are going to convert from 3D model to 2D views, that is front, top and side views, right? So this procedure has to be followed. First need to draw the drawings and then delete the projection lines which are not necessary, and then after you complete all the drawings showing all the views, hidden lines, everything, then you need to do the dimensioning. So split the dimensioning on all the three views, and after that finally complete the drawing by showing the views, that is front view, top view and right view. So whatever the dimensions, here also this 45 degrees line, okay, you just show the angle. Okay, so like this, finally your drawing will be complete when you show all the views. Okay, so again, just before finishing, I mean once you finish the drawing, just make sure that you check the drawings whether you have shown all the dimensions, you have shown all the views. Okay, so if it is clear, then your whole drawing is complete. So in next video we'll solve again another type of the drawing. Thank you.